Hey there! Tired of juggling multiple apps to control your smart lights, plugs, and devices? Introducing Samsung SmartThings, your one-stop hub for a smarter, more connected home. If you are looking to simplify your smart home, stick around because I am gonna break down Samsung SmartThings for you. Just a quick heads up. This is not a tutorial video. I am here to give you a quick rundown of what Samsung SmartThings is all about. And hey, if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. SmartThings is the brain behind your smart home. It connects all your compatible devices from lights and thermostats to appliances, even your Samsung TV, washing machine into a single ecosystem. Imagine dimming the lights, adjusting the thermostat, and turning on your coffee maker all with just a tap on your phone. This is what smart things do for you. Smart things also let you create custom routines. Set lights to turn on as you arrive home. Automatically adjust the temperature when you leave, or even create a movie night setting with a single command. But wait, there's more. SmartThings works with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, offering hands-free control over your smart home. Plus, SmartThings prioritize security. You can receive real-time alerts if a door or window is left open, or even monitor activity with connected cameras. So, why choose SmartThings? Because it offers convenience, automation, and peace of mind. Simplify your life, create a more connected home, and experience the future of living with Samsung SmartThings. Visit the link in the description below to learn more and get started with Samsung SmartThings today. This is just a glimpse of what SmartThings can do. If you are curious to learn more about routines or voice controls, let me know in the comments below and I might do a follow-up video. Hit that subscribe button and join the community. Thanks for watching.